Alright everybody, it is a very cold day. We've had some horrible weather. We were actually planning to fly out to Alabama the other day, but number one, we are not IFR equipped to be able to fly through the clouds. I actually just got my instrument tickets where I can fly through the clouds. That's what I was talking about before, about upgrading the inside of this thing. It's gonna cost about $15,000, so that's a little something. But anyway, today we're going to be going to Statesboro to go check out a restaurant out there, a little Tex-Mex restaurant. Gonna go have some fun. But before we get started with all this, I just want to let you know we need for you to click like, subscribe, follow, and share everything, so that way we can show more people what we're doing. But you know, the funny thing is, Chris and I, we have this competition going on, a little bet. We're trying to see who can raise, or which social media platform will actually be able to get up to 1,000 likes first. I want YouTube, but it's looking like Facebook might. He thinks Instagram will. So, you know, go click like and subscribe and follow on all of our channels. Share it so that everybody can see what we're doing. You know, had somebody just the other day go and say, hey, come over here to Alabama. There's this restaurant on top of the FBO. You know what? Putting that one on the list. So all you gotta do is talk to us, subscribe to us, and, you know, comment with us, and let's go have some fun. All right, he's clear. All clear?
All clear.
No, I'm saying is he all clear? Perry, traffic 9 Kilo Romeo, taking runway 36 forward departure to the east, Perry. All right, boost pump, landing light strobes. Extra full, Rich.
Go.
Okay, well everybody, we're on our way to Statesboro, which is Kilo Tango Bravo Romeo. And, you know, one of those things, like I said earlier, was that we couldn't fly the other day to Alabama because the clouds were low, and this thing needs to be upgraded. It's going to cost about $15,000, and, you know, Chris over here, he wants to get more cameras to be able to provide more kind of shots everywhere. Yeah. So we do have a link below and in the description if you want to go and make a donation to help us with the upgraded so we can fly in the clouds or get some new camera equipment. Feel free to click the link and donate. Hey, $5 is $5. Useful to go around. Hey, this fuel to fly the plane, today fuel price is $5.09 a gallon. Takes about 8 gallons an hour to fly, so it ain't cheap, but it's fun. So look forward to seeing what you guys got. Thanks. I bet that's the airport right over there. You see that grass area right over there?
Yeah. We're flying to the left of the smoke.
Yep.
Wow.
It's almost like we're going to be flying right next to the smoke.
Oh, okay. That'd be a good shot.
All right, we're turning in. See the runway?
Yeah.
Statesboro traffic, 9 Kilo Romeo's practice ILS, 5 mile long final, 3-2, Statesboro. And you see here how now?
Almost lined up, yeah. Oh, there's the runway. I see it.